Welcome back, everyone, to another morning episode of Waking Up Crypto. We wake up extra early on this show because crypto never sleeps. Okay, let's do a quick little top 10 look at the markets. We got Bitcoin hanging in there just below 48,000. Ethereum hanging tight just below 1,800. 1774. Cardano still in the 90s at 91 cents. XRP pumping up, getting close to 60 cents, hanging in there at 58.5 cents. Polkadot continues its march towards 30 at $26.18. Litecoin 186, Chainlink 28. I feel like Chainlink's going to pop to 50 any minute, guys, but that's just me. Do your own research. Crypto is very risky. I'm not an advisor. Stellar rising along with XRP. Those two kind of go hand in hand. They were both founded by Jeb McCaleb, and they're both still in the top 10. XLM and XRP. Some people's favorite coins, some people's not. Dogecoin. Dogecoin's been trading sideways, but, still up 25% over the last 7 days. At least it hasn't crashed back all the way down to 2 cents, so its next pump could take it to 20. You never know. Uniswap breaking out of its $21 resistance to $22.91 with upward trajectory. We'll see where that ends at the end of the day. Aave hanging in at 518. Wrap Bitcoin, same as Bitcoin. Cosmos up 125% over the last 7 days. I had not realized it's doubled in the last 7 days. Interesting. EOS up $4.52. EOS up to $4.52. Bitcoin SV $222.63. And Tron, Tron has been absolutely crushing it, hasn't it? So Tron's up to 5.4 cents. I've been watching Tron for a long time, and it just hangs out between 2 and 3%, but it has finally broken out. Tron's one of those blockchains where, for whatever reason, they have a large amount of followers, but also a large amount of haters. For whatever reason, people dislike Tron, and they dislike Justin Sun because of his naked promotions. But I like a good promoter, to be quite honest. I like my cryptocurrency to be in the news. And I've done dApps on the Tron ecosystem, and for a long time now, they've been incredibly fast, they've been incredibly scalable and secure, and they continue to bring a lot of stuff in their ecosystem at a much lower cost than Ethereum. Ethereum, it is the Rolls-Royce of the smart contract protocol. Tron is the Honda Civic. It's incredibly reliable, strong, scalable. That's why it's probably doing well. And I think it will do well in the future, but that's just my opinion. So that rounds out the top 20. Let's look at the big gainers. So over the last 24 hours, the graph up 55.9% to 266. Nano up 44.7% to 695. Voyager token is up 34% over the last 24 hours to 325. AMP continuing to do good, up 30%. Ocean Protocol up 28. Cosmos 27%. Digibyte up to 26, and Yearn Finance up 22%. A lot of green underneath that, but that's the top. Big losers, Dogecoin, biggest loser at 7% on the day. So obviously the green is still massively outweighing the red because the big green is much bigger than the big red. Elrond down 7%, Thorchain down 6.3%, Terra down 5.5%, Midx down 4.1%, Balancer down 3.7% to 48. Ampleforth down 3.6 to $1.33. Nexo down 3. And then a little bit of red under that. Nothing huge, guys. Really not a lot of big losers because all of the coins that are down over the last 24 hours are up over the last 7 days, except for Ampleforth. But anyways, guys, we continue to be driven by the bulls and not the bears. And cryptocurrency is incredibly interesting. And Fridays can really pop off heading to the weekend. Then Saturdays, things can quiet down. And, we've been having some crazy Sundays lately. And almost Sundays have really seemed to be green days. So we'll see what happens as we roll into the weekend, guys. So moving on to crypto headlines. India to ban cryptocurrency investment completely, says report. This just broke at 4 a.m. The quick take, the Indian government is said to be levying a complete ban on crypto investing. Existing investors will reportedly get a 3 to 6 month transition period for liquidating their investments. The Indian government is said to be levying a complete ban on cryptocurrency. Man, that is a bummer for the citizens of India because incredible wealth is being created, and they're not letting their citizens have access to it. So imagine if the citizens of Asia, Europe, and America, they participate in this cryptocurrency revolution and build incredible wealth. All the people of India have to sit on the sidelines and watch. That is not cool. Bitcoin's big moment. Mastercard jumps on bandwagon. So Mastercard staying in crypto news. Mastercard is bringing Bitcoin to the checkout counter. The company announced late Wednesday that it will support select cryptocurrencies directly on its network on some point next year. Our philosophy on cryptocurrencies is straightforward. It's about choice, says Raj Damodaran, an executive vice president of Mastercard, who wrote on a post Wednesday. Mastercard isn't here to recommend you start using cryptocurrencies, but we are here to enable customers, merchants, and businesses to move digital value, traditional value, however they want. Okay? So, Mastercard and other big companies like Tesla continue to push mass adoption closer to reality. All right. Last story, Justin Sun confirms he lost $8 million on the GameStop stocks. After Tron founder Justin Sun spent $10 million on GME, the stock plunged by 80%. Yet, he's still holding on. Tron founder Justin Sun has confirmed that he's down $8 million on his GameStop investment. The Wallstreetbetws fueled stock plummeted shortly after he bought them. However, he plans to hold on to them since the meme is very important. So Justin Sun, he likes staying in the news. This is just like a tax write-off for him, man. I mean, the guy invented Tron. Tron's pumping. This guy's got money falling out of his pockets when he walks down the street. I don't think he's hurting. But look at this. It gets him publicity. He gets to show his nice little smile in this camera to everybody. And they're like, oh, look at this cute guy. He lost $8 million. Well, billionaires can lose $8 million, guys. It's no big deal. But on this channel, we try to stay away from Wreck City because we can become very little peasants very quick again. But hey, guys, I got to get heading to the 9 to 5er. I'll be making another video tonight, so if you didn't do it in the start of the video, hit subscribe, tap the bell, thumbs up, you know the drill. Catch you on the next video.